Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to share with you how to improve the volume of your videos. If your videos are very soft, your video recording is very soft, you can't really hear clearly, you want to increase the volume. First of all, you need to use CapCut. One of the softwares I use is to use CapCut. I'm now in CapCut. Install CapCut. And then you import the video. Click on this import button. Import. Okay, import the video. When you find your video, I already found my video, and then just click open. It will import your video. Okay, it will import your video. This is the video I added. Okay, then you just drag it here. Drag it here. Drag this video. Drag this video. Okay, drag this video over. And then there's this audio tab at your right hand side of CapCut over here at top corner. Top corner over here. Make sure this is selected, top corner audio. You saw this volume. Okay, volume. Click on this. Before that, let me just play my video. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be sharing with you. Okay, I'm going to actually enhance it, increase the volume. So let's say this. Okay, let's restart. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Yes, today I'll be sharing with you how to speed up your. Okay, you can actually adjust the volume accordingly. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. So we'll set it to, yeah, maybe something like that. Let's test. Today I'll be sharing with you how to speed up your, okay, with maybe 10, or you can just adjust accordingly. You can type the volume, how much you want. Then play again. Mozilla Firefox. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. There's actually a few tweaks you need to do for your Windows 11 system. Okay, I think this is all right. So this is how to actually increase the volume. And then once it's done, you can actually export. Audio, or export the video. Okay, also export the. So that's it. This is how to actually increase the volume of your video to be louder. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips, tech tips to share with others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.